Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Hollandaise sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients: 3 large egg yolks, 1 stick of unsalted butter, and fresh lemon juice. Next, prepare your double boiler. Place a heat-proof bowl over a pot of gently simmering water, making sure the bottom of the bowl does not touch the water. This gentle heat is crucial for a smooth, creamy sauce. Now, let's begin the emulsification process. In your heat-proof bowl, combine the 3 egg yolks with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Add a small pinch of salt, and if you like, a dash of white pepper. Whisk these ingredients continuously and vigorously over the gentle heat. You'll notice the mixture becoming lighter in color and slightly frothy, indicating it's ready for the butter. This is where the magic happens. Gradually, and I mean gradually, drizzle in your 1 stick, or 8 tablespoons of warm melted butter. It's vital to add the butter in a very thin stream while whisking continuously and vigorously. This constant motion helps the fat and liquid combine into a stable emulsion, transforming your mixture into a rich, creamy Hollandaise sauce. Once your Hollandaise has reached a beautiful, thick consistency, remove it from the heat. Now is the time to add a dash of cayenne pepper for a subtle kick and adjust the salt to your personal preference. Remember, Hollandaise is best served immediately. Drizzle it generously over eggs Benedict, steamed asparagus, or any dish that deserves a touch of luxurious flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.